What's up, guys? I'm Alexa, and today we're going to be doing a den. So yes, I have a clear den, as you can see, and we're going to be making it one of the most best non-member den items ever. Let's get into it. Don't mind my awful singing. Okay, so I'm going to just start by going all in the back of here with this. So, let's start with in the den. I don't like any of those items currently. Oh, I do like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. And I like that. I like that. No, I'm not gonna use that. I like that. And I like that. I like that. Okay, let's start with those. Okay, something random. Let's put this in the corner. Oh, I think this should go right here. Wait, first I can do wallpaper. Oh, I do. There we go. Oh, that looks nice right there. And then I do this and I put it that way. If you have one of the sheep beanbag, tell me. I'm pretty sure y'all know my user. It's XXolive if you didn't. Yay, that's sort of good. Yeah, that's good. Good, but like right here, maybe. One can go right here, and then another right here. That look good? Enough. Lollipop basket. Could that go right there? Oh, I know where this is going. My sheep section. This rare skinny lamp. Surprised jack-o'-lantern. Also, if you are a non-member or you like any of these den items, just jamagram me on my user is XXolive, or just tell me if I'm online. My den is always open. Yeah. I used to try to get that and someone would not let me have it. Ooh, that's cool. I have some a pond lake cake. But I still have to wait for my fridge. I think it's like a fridge or something. Snowman fridge. Here we are. Let's put this. Can't see it. I way too much den item. And then we're also let's get rid of the eyes. I need to have room for my snowman fridge. I love that snowman fridge. So if they don't have room for it, then I don't know. I'm gonna put that right there. This I'm gonna move somewhere else, maybe in the corner. I have a lot of trees. Clearly that's gonna go right there. It's also gonna go right there. This needs to go somewhere. I like this. Maybe I could put like if you have like a cake of some sort. Yeah. Oh, it's a giant mouse toy. You put it like right there. It's like right, I don't know how to make the best dens ever. It's not the best, but it will do, considering I don't have a lot of good stuff. Perfect. Okay. Oh, I have a sheep window? I never knew I had that. Is that there? No. I like the set. It's cool. Ooh, I like this raccoon toy. And I can't get to it. Okay, let's move on to the outside real quickly. One tree, let's do like maybe. Oh, how many gems do I have? Make that look better, I guess. It will do. And then I don't have like balloons or something like that. Yay. Okay, I have balloons. And we'll go right there. And we'll go right here. Oof. One. I got one more. Ooh, okay, that looks good enough. Oh, I got my traffic. My den beta. Why do I feel like there has to be something in the middle here? There we go. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'll just put that right there. Okay, it's not too shabby. How many gems? Oh, I need to play some games. Oh, I really like that, the lily rug. Oh, too bad. What? I don't. What? It's like non-members don't even get good stuff. We got this crap. Actually, I do know what it feels like to be a member because I do have a member account. But if you guys watched my previous video, it's hacked. So, oh, I don't think any of it is cute. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna do 2 cheeky cherries. So I need to go get some more money. Yeah, I'm gonna pause until I get more money. Bye, guys.